Did you know that nearly half of American adults have high blood pressure? That's a staggering number. Almost 1 in every 2 people you see around you could be affected. That's right. Millions of people are living with hypertension, and most don't even know it. It's easy to feel fine and assume everything is okay. But high blood pressure often hides in plain sight, quietly putting your health at risk. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is often called the silent killer because it usually has no obvious symptoms. You might feel perfectly healthy, but inside, your body could be under serious strain. So, what exactly is high blood pressure? It's when the force of your blood pushing against the walls of your arteries is consistently too high, making your heart and blood vessels work harder than they should. Imagine your blood moving through your arteries like water through a garden hose. When the flow is steady and gentle, everything works smoothly. Now picture turning the faucet up too high. The pressure builds up, and over time, this extra force can actually damage the hose, or in this case, your blood vessels and heart. The constant strain can cause tiny tears and make your arteries less flexible, which is dangerous for your overall health. But why does it happen? What causes this silent threat to creep up on so many people? There's no single cause, but some of the big culprits are pretty common. Our modern lifestyles play a huge role, and sometimes it's a combination of factors that add up over time. Eating too much salt, which is hidden in so many of our favorite foods, chowing down on processed foods, not moving enough, dealing with stress, smoking, and even drinking too much alcohol can all raise your risk. And even family history can all play a role. If your parents or grandparents had high blood pressure, you might be more likely to develop it too. Sometimes it just runs in the family. Genetics can set the stage, but your daily choices can make a big difference in how things play out. And here's the thing. If high blood pressure goes unchecked, it can lead to some serious health risks. Think heart attacks, which can strike suddenly and change your life in an instant. Strokes, which can affect your ability to speak, move, or even think clearly. Kidney problems that can lead to long-term health issues and even vision loss. High blood pressure can damage tiny blood vessels in your eyes, putting your sight at risk. It's not something to ignore. The consequences can be life-altering, but the good news is, you have the power to make a change. A lot of people don't feel any different when their blood pressure is high. That's why it's so important to be proactive, even if you feel fine. That's why regular checkups are so important. Getting your blood pressure checked is quick, painless, and could save your life. But if you do get warning signs, like headaches, dizziness, or shortness of breath, don't brush them off. These symptoms might seem minor, but they could be your body's way of telling you something's wrong. Take them seriously and check your blood pressure. Home monitors and pharmacy kiosks make it easier than ever to keep tabs on your numbers. The good news is, there are a few simple steps I can take to help keep my blood pressure in check. Small changes really do add up over time. First, I try to eat less salt by reading food labels and choosing lower sodium options whenever possible. And skip the processed foods when I can. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and home-cooked meals are always a better choice for my heart. Staying active, even just 30 minutes a day, makes a big difference. Managing stress, getting enough sleep, and finding time for activities I enjoy all help keep my blood pressure in a healthy range. And taking time to relax are just as important. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your heart and your overall health. And cutting back on alcohol are game changers too. Even small reductions can have a big impact on your blood pressure. And of course, I make it a point to check my blood pressure regularly, just to stay on top of things. So here's my message. Don't wait for a problem to show up before you take action. Keeping your heart healthy starts with small choices every day. Every healthy meal, every walk, every good night's sleep counts. A healthy heart means a healthier, happier life. You'll have more energy, feel better, and be able to enjoy more moments with the people you love. Take control of your blood pressure, and you take control of your future. The steps you take today can lead to a longer, more vibrant life. Don't forget to follow USA Health for more simple wellness tips. We're here to help you stay informed and motivated on your health journey. Thanks for watching, and take care of your heart. Remember, every step you take toward better health is a step toward a brighter future.